Hello, Jim Techbo's new product. It's the Google Pixel Watch. Number 3, 45mm LTE. So it's not the small one like which we've got before on the first version, which it was too small for me. I like big watches. This is a big watch. It's full of tech and I look forward to checking it out. So you've got some pull tabs here. Just going to pull them off. It just seems to slide out. So that's it there. In the box on this matte black case 45 LTE. So that's just basically it there with Fitbit and all written there. And that's pretty much it. So let's have a look at the watch. We have got two little compartments. Right, let's start with this one here. So this is the straps. So you've got your strap in there. You've got the top and bottom. Nice strap as well. Just come out. And you have got two different lengths. As well. So that allows you to pick the right size for you. Nice straps. And in here we have got all our booklets and showing you how to put on the strap. So that's all there is in there. Right, just put all this back in there for now. And in here we have got the watch and the charging puck. So there's the charging puck there. You need to start doing away with these before you charge us for smartwatches, but it is what it is. And here is the watch here, as you can see. It's like a pebble. Nice bit of weight onto it. This will just pop on the back for charging with the magnets. Seems to be fairly strong enough. And that's really about it. So I'll just bring this up closer to you so you can see what's it on the back there. And that's pretty much it. Is there any power inside? So you got a pusher here. It is very slippy in the hand. So there's your Google logo. So you've got a pusher up on top here. Here's where your straps are going to go. And obviously we're going to go with this one. So we can put these in and start checking her out. And that's it. That's the top one in. So that's what it's going to look like. I think I'll need the bigger strap. Yep. So we'll put that one on. And that's it there. All nice and clean, as you can see. You can see a speaker on the side there. And that's pretty much it. Got a little hole in here. And you can change your straps. So must look out for some third-party straps as well. But that's what it's looking like there while it's starting up. So we're going to be testing this out over the Christmas. Liking the clean design. And we'll get it charged up and set up, of course, on our Pixel 9 Pro. And we will come back with a full review then later on. You can see there it's ready to go. So where is my Pixel? And there we go, Pixel Watch 3 ready to rock and roll. So stay tuned. We'll see you in a couple of weeks and we'll talk to you then. Hello, Jim Techbo's. We're back with the Pixel Watch 3. Been testing this over the Christmas and that. And yeah, just going to go through this with you briefly to what's on and what's on it. So that's your steps, your heart rates, your quick starts, all your fitness activities are in there. So if you're into that, you've got a lot of stuff there. You've got your rotating bezel here, which is cool. Or you can flick it through like this, and that'll just bring up all the exercises there. So if there's something there for you, it's good, your Fitbit today, which I do not use. You can add new assistant actions there as well, and you get your weather and all that kind of stuff there. Just unlock this, and that's pretty much it. So you can scroll down through here as well. With all the apps, you can go through your data, which is handy. So I'll just move this back a small bit more. Right, so back on to the start. So you drag it down, you've got your menu here. You've got Google Home, which is excellent. So you can look at what's going on there. So if I get a notification, if I just go back out here, I'll just move the side camera here. See if that works. Or what I'll do is I'll walk to the back door. It's a couple of years old, it gets finicky every now and then, but I'm sure it'll pop up there and I'll show you when it comes in. But you can go onto your watch here, and if you've got a doorbell, it will ring and you can answer from the phone. So back down here, you've got your usual setup here, your brightness, airplane mode, all that kind of stuff. And we'll just knock this off. And your settings, battery, all that kind of stuff, brightness, vibration, ring, silent mode and all that kind of stuff in there. Flight mode. So you got your connectivity, your display. Change the watch face. So if you want to pick a different watch face, you can. So if you go to that, that's what that looks like there. These will all move when you go over. This is the one I used on the first watch. I like this one. And go back here, you've got your map, your Google Home, voice, all that kind of stuff in there. And your location. So you've got location as well for maps, which is excellent. Let's go back out of that. Back down. Into your settings again. So you got your display. Watch face, brightness, text size. You can change the text size, screen timeout. I need to change that because sometimes it's just not enough. And you've got your always on screen wrist orientation. And you can also put the different complications in on the certain watch faces as well, which is pretty cool. So we'll just unlock this, hoping this camera thing goes off so you can see how it will work from the phone. So yeah, notifications, the usual swipe up from the bottom, and I'm after just wiping them all there before I started this, and they'll come back in anyway. So you can go through a massive gallery of watch faces, which is nice. So you can pick and choose, and you can see there's all different complications. So the one I had on before, for example, if you go in here, you can change your colours, like so. You can change the layout, the complications, your heart rate, all that kind of stuff, your weather. So you're getting a lot of data onto the watch, which is great, which kind of keeps you off your phone, which is nice and handy as well. And it's much more integrated now as well. So it's pretty good. I'll just discard that, back out with this. And in here is the edit, and you can change for whatever suits you there. For whatever watch face you might need, because some have more features than the others. Your customized alerts, you can choose wherever notifications go to your watch. So anything that will go to that's in the list will go. And so your emails, calls, texts, camera notifications, all that kind of stuff there. Anything you use, and of course you can use with pay as well. So you can pay your terminals, which is good. And you can mute notifications on the phone then as well. Hide silent ones, allow new app notifications, mute phone calls, and mute notifications on the phone. So you can turn one off instead of having them both, or vice versa, which is kind of handy. So in here, you have to go through all these. As you see, I have everything on. So busy watch, and your Fitbit stuff in there, your Play Store, your watch preferences, you've got your safety and emergency, your mobile network, your system, watch bands, tips and support, accessibility and privacy, and legal. So display and gestures, you have that there, your font size, tilt to wake, touch to wake, all that kind of stuff in there. So you can change the text to make it bigger or smaller, just like you do on your phone, so you know how that works. And your security, you got watch unlock. So if you're nearby your watch with your phone, you can unlock, same as Watch Ultra 2, which is another watch I've been using. And you've got general in here, showing red notifications, auto launch, media controls. So that's that in there. So with your tiles, you have your tiles there, which I have in. Now I never wear the watch to bed, so yeah, that's pretty much this. You can add your tiles in here, whichever suits you. You've got your safety check now, YouTube music, and your next task, next event, favorite contacts, next alarm timer, new emails, create notes as well. So that's another new feature, you can create notes too. Your assistant, your forecast, sun, UV index, contacts, voice messages, all that kind of stuff in there, which is nice and handy. What I like about this menu as well and the UI, it's a simple enough one to use. It's not complicated, which is good, and what people like to see. And that's pretty much it in that department there. So that's it there. When if you want to unlink it or add a watch, you can just go in there and do that. But there's plenty to do inside. So you got your accounts, backup, assistant, and your wallet, which was mentioned earlier on. So you can talk to your watch like you can talk to your phone, and you can pay at terminals with your watch, which is cool. And your safety and emergency. So we've got your emergency sharing, safety check, SOS, car crash detection. You know, I have this on my phone as well. And you know, start your driving and pop on and off. Loss of pull detection is a new thing as well. Fall detection, safety signal. Lots of stuff in there that's quite helpful, you know. So keep that in mind. There's a lot more there than you might think that's on. So it's pretty good. And that's really about it. So that's what we're looking at there with the Pixel Watch 3. Now, as I mentioned earlier about the camera, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this again on the back and see if it comes true. So bear with me a sec. So this is what the speaker was down like on the Pixel Watch 3. And that's just about wraps up. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Any questions?